Social Science Part 2, Chapter 1, Seasons and Time. This chapter is question answers. Question. You have learned that there is periodic variation in the amount of sunshine over different places in both the hemispheres of the earth. Why? Variations in the amount of sunshine received are the basis for the occurrence of different seasons. The Earth's revolution and the tilt of the axis are the reasons for this variation. How much time does the Earth take to complete one revolution? 365 1/4 days. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, what is a leap year? To complete one revolution, the Earth takes 365 1/4 days, but a year normally has 365 days. The remaining 1/4 part of a day will be considered as a full day, one in every 4 years. Thus, every fourth year has 366 days and is called a leap year. Thus, in every fourth year, February has 29 days. Question number 4. Seasons are not distinctly felt in Kerala. Why? Kerala is a place located near the equator since Kerala receives high amount of sunlight in every year. In such regions, seasons are not distinctly felt. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, what is the peculiarity of the day and the night in the Southern Hemisphere on June 21st? On June 21st, the Southern Hemisphere experiences its longest night and shortest day. What are the changes observed in nature during the summer season? Answer: the atmospheric temperature increases, rivers, ponds, springs and other water sources get dried up, availability of rain becomes reduced. As a result, land gets parched, shortage of food materials, the grasslands dry up. What is the peculiarity of the day and the night in the Southern Hemisphere on 22nd December? Longest day and shortest night. What is the season in the Southern Hemisphere when it is autumn in the Northern Hemisphere? Spring season. What are the peculiarities of winter season? We feel many variations in the winter season than other seasons, such as long nights, short days, cold weather, cold wind, snowfall, winter storms, cold rains, thick fog, frost, very low temperature, etc. What is the change that occurs in the duration of the day in the Southern Hemisphere during Dakshinayanam? The duration of day in the Southern Hemisphere gradually increases during this period. What is the duration of day and night in the South Polar regions when the sun is respectively over the Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere? During the period from March to September, as the sun is in the Northern Hemisphere, the South Polar regions experience continuous night for 6 months. During the remaining period, that is from September to March, as the sun is in the Southern Hemisphere, South Polar regions experience continuous daylight for 6 months. Is the local time in all the Indian states the same? No. The time estimated at each place is based on the apex position of the sun. It is termed as the local time. What will be the hardships if there are several local times in a country? Cannot prepare a railway timetable applicable throughout the country. Cannot give announcements about radio programs. People have to adjust their watches suitably. Cannot organize an all India exam. The people of which Indian states see the sun first? Arunachal Pradesh. What would be the longitudinal extent of each time zone? 15 degree. നമ്മളപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണുന്നത്. പുതിയ എപ്പിസോഡായിട്ട് വേഗം തന്നെ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഇതുവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട കമൻസുകളെല്ലാം തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. പുതിയ എപ്പിസോഡായിട്ട് വേഗം തന്നെ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ബൈ ബൈ.